Ilocos. Start your engines as we welcome our host, Mr. Ancher Kua.
Ayan! Isang napakabonggang gabi sa inyong lahat, Ilocos! Grabe, kakasama na naman tayo sa isang napakagandang gabi na puno at saya. At syempre naman, palakpakan po natin ang PGIS. Lalo na po kitaragsak. Narabii kada kayo, ken kastamet nga naragsak neto nga Ilocos Sur Festival 2024. O kumusta naman po tayo sa ating 18-day fiesta? O kumusta mo naman yung katabi mo? O ready ka na bang tumawa? Tanungin mo, dali! Ay, grabe. Grabe, parang ready na. Kasi marami tayong mga pasabog ngayon. At syempre din, para gawin nating mas masayang gabi ito. Alright, palakpakan na may kasamang hiyawan! Diba? G pa rin, mga best! At dahil din naman ilang gabi na din tayo nagsama-sama dito sa Quirino Stadium dahil sa iba't ibang mga events ng Ilocos Sur Festival 2024. Well, nag-LGBT Festival Queen na tayo dito, nag-Muscle Showdown na din, nag-Miss Ilocos Sur, and at the same time, the Street Dance Showdown kagabi lamang yan. At ngayon naman, tayo'y aanuin ng mga kapatid nating drag queens sa isang gabi ng kabugan ng eksena, aurahan ng itsura. Ito ang Diva Duel Lip Sync Battle! Woo! At syempre naman, everyone, ang masayang gabi ito ay give love sa atin ng Provincial Government of Ilocos Sur headed by our beloved Governor, Honorable Governor Jeremiah Jerry C. Singson. One more time, palakpakan po natin ang ating pinakamamahal na gobernador. And yes, the Ilocos Sur Festival is presented by Beauty Derm. At maraming salamat po for supporting Diva Duel Lip Sync Battle 2024. At syempre naman, everybody, I know a lot of you have been taking photos and videos kaya sa mga nagsiselfie dyan, sa mga gusto mag-post ng reels, sa mga stories, of course, sa Facebook, pwede natin gamitin ang hashtag One Ilocosur, hashtag Ilocosur Festival 2024 at itag ang at the PGIS 1818 or the Provincial Government of Ilocos Sur Facebook page. Kaya magingay tayo sa social media, paponggahin natin ang Ilocos Sur across all our social media platforms. Pakita natin kung gaano kasi mag-fiesta dito sa Ilocos Sur. At heto na nga rin, guys, papunta na tayo sa exciting part! Pero syempre, bago ang kabugan ng galing dito sa entablado, alamin muna natin ang mechanics ng Diva Duel. So, the competition is open to all LGBTQIA+ members who are bona fide residents of Ilocos Sur and of legal age. There will be two parts of the competition. So the Battle 1, everyone, we have the solo performance. And for the Battle 2, the much-awaited showdown as well. So makita natin kung paano sila mag-aurahan. Kaya makakita kayo ng mga unbelievable dance moves or performances here. So for the Battle 1, everyone, all 14 contenders must be able to deliver a maximum of 4 minutes solo performance of any chosen song or artist, local or foreign. Contenders must achieve the drag look, syempre through hair, makeup, and even the costume. So use of hand props and panels or backdrop that will add color and relevance to the whole production is allowed as long as it is well coordinated with a technical team or committee. So human props like backup dancers are allowed but should be limited to 3 to 5 persons only. So please also note, everybody, that human props and physical props must be at the own expense of the contestant. So, for the Battle 2, ano naman kaya mayari sa showdown? Only 5 contenders will perform during the second battle, which is the showdown, where in the top 5, everyone will lip sync and compete for only one song. So this time, human props like backup dancers will no longer be allowed. Kung pwede po sila sa first battle, the solo performance, bawal na po ang human props for the second battle. So the 5 remaining contenders will have a showdown using the music chosen by the judges. So in this case, contestants will be scored based on creativity, appearance, and the ability to lip sync. And truly indeed, everybody, at ito naman, for the criteria for judging. Well, pag judgmental ka nga rin naman daw. Performance, lip sync ability, choreography, stage presentation is 40%. Drag look, costume, hair, and makeup is also 40%. Well, that's the very essence of the competition. And yes, the overall impact or pasabog effect na kung tawagin natin, that would give us as well 20%. Siyempre, giving us a total of 100%. So, daming numbers nga naman, percent. So, parang mostly parang na-nosebleed, almost na ako man-nosebleed doon. Pero siyempre, caring naman yan dahil hindi po ako mag-judge, kundi our 5 notable guests here will do the honor. At siyempre din naman, sila nga po magkakaroon ng biggest challenge and of course, roll for tonight. Eto na, everybody, please meet our members of the selection committee, our members of the Board of Judges. Our first judge is a proud son of Mr. and Mrs. Richard R1 Singson from Tamag, Vigan City, Ilocos Sur. He took BSBA major in operations management at Enderun Colleges. He received the Brent Honor Roll certificates in school years 2019 to 2020. A football champion in the Asia Pacific Activities Conference in Guangzhou, China in 2019. Won football silver medal at the Southern Luzon Colleges and Universities Athletic Association. In 2019, a member of the Brent Christian Fellowship and a Philippine Navy reservist. He's very active in Palarong Pambansayan Region 1 Plus and other local and national tournaments. Sa Savik nga Agserbi, Sangguniang Panalawigan member, Panalawigang Federasyon ng mga Sangguniang Kabataan, President of Ilocos Sur. Please set to be recognized, Honorable Vic Singson. Thank you, Honorable Vic. And right now, our next judge is a former beauty queen turned fashion designer from Bantay, Ilocos Sur, based in Metro Manila. She's a semi-finalist in Queen of the World 2002 and Miss Amazing Philippines 2009 second runner-up. Her creations are featured in many prestigious events such as the Philippine Fashion Week. And in 2011, she was Ilocandia's Best Designer of the Year for Miss Ilocos Sur. She studied at the Fashion Institute of the Philippines, Makati, and was the Secretary of Fashion Designer Association of the Philippines, the longest-running fashion association in the country. With over a decade of experience as a fashion designer, the owner of Danica Rizabal Damo Couture. Let's give a round of applause for Miss Danica A. Damo! Thank you, Ma'am Danica. There we go. Our third judge is an actor, celebrity, model, and athlete. He was hailed as the Philippine Youth Ambassador 2022 and famous Best Child Actor 2007. Now a public figure. Put your hands together for Christian Luis Singson. Great to see you here, Christian. There we go. Our fourth judge is the executive assistant to the governor, provincial government of Ilocos Sur. She studied Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship in Miriam College and studied Juris Doctor at the University of Northern Philippines and passed the bar exam in 2022. She's currently taking a Master in Public Management at the Ateneo School of Government. But that's not all. She's also a Beauty Derm Ambassador. Again, let's give it up for Attorney Jana Mariel Singson. Thank you, Attorney Jana. And everyone, ito din, I know, pinakantay po natin. I guess ito, as of course, our fifth and last judge is also from our vibrant region of Ilocos. She's a drag superstar who channels her artistic talents as an events designer and florist, transforming her creative visions into breathtaking looks. With each dazzling appearance, she astounds the audience with a fusion of daring stunts, awe-inspiring dance moves, and an unrivaled creative spirit. Everybody, Ilocos Sur, Drag Race Philippines Season 2's multimedia drag superstar, give it up for Matilda! Woohoo! Thank you for gracing this occasion. There you go. Thank you, Matilda. And with that, sila nga rin naman na magiging punong abala mamaya sa pagsuscore dyan. So galingan natin mga judges, ha? At syempre, we're rooting for all of you. But then again, we respect your decision, whatever it be, because you know what is best. At kaya naman, ganap din naman, eto, pinakabangan din ng mga prizes natin tonight. At dahil, for the best in drag look, they will take home, or she will take home 5,000 pesos in cash. Best in lip syncing, of course, 5,000 pesos din. And the third placer will take home 50,000 pesos. Woo! Eto din, pataas sa pataas. For the second placer, she'll take home 75,000 pesos. And yes, not to mention, the Diva Duo Lip Sync Battle Champion will take home 100,000 pesos. So palakpakan naman natin yan, di ba? 100,000 pesos. So kaya naman, syempre, dami ko lang nasi. Grabe, saan tayo pwede huminga? Dami, too much ebas na nga rin kung sabihin. So eto na. Everyone, simulan na natin. Once again, handa na po ba ang Ilocos Sur? Alright, eto na. You ready na mga sarili para maloka, matawa, tumambling sa duelo ng ating mga diva. This is it. Kabugan ng eksena, aurahan ng itsura, ito ang Diva Duel Lip Sync Battle!
Ito na ang pinakaantay na Diva Duel Lip Sync Battle! Drag Queens, start your engines, and may the best Diva win!
Di bakit akain na yan ayan Agbabaketa Tudno nga agbabaketa Di dangan nilamot di ganas Di bakit akain na yan
Go to sleep when I got you next to me.
3, 2, 1, let's go! No matter gay, straight or bi, lesbian, transgender life, I'm on the right track, baby. I was born to survive. No matter black, white, or beige, color, orient, made. Right track, baby. I was born to be brave. And you played it, you played it, you played it, you played it to the beat.
Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it! Our 14 drag queens of Diva Duel Lip Sync Battle. Palakpakan naman natin sila! Ang galing nila, di ba? Pero sa tingin nyo, sino ang queen ng kabugan at aurahan? Sino? Alright, meron talaga nag-print sila ng tarpaulin for Matilda. Ayun, there they are, your fans, Matilda. Yan. O, diba? Maraming salamat. Diba, kakaloka yung mga performances nila. Meron talagang paulit-ulit na tumambling. At meron ding nabigay ng istorya. Of course, meron nagmalak Casey Tandingan, Tina Turner, at ang mga kilala pa nating singers worldwide, of course. Diba? Truly, the art of drag is what you witness, everyone. At maya-maya lamang ay malalaman na natin kung sino sa mga drag queens natin ang Shantay You Stay as our top 5. Pero syempre nga naman, di ba, hindi pa naman sila consider na panalo dahil they will still have one more battle later on, lalong-lalo na sa mga makakapasok sa top 5. Such incredible performances a while back. Okay, so all of you did a great job. Grabe, everybody's been entertained, but one of the most exciting things are here, lalo na po that we get to know more about our drag queens. All right, and that's why we have here, Queen Bea. Okay, kapag tinawag po natin ang pangalan ng ating drag queen, kailangan mag-share once again ang mga kasama ni Queen Bea. Woohoo! There they are. Okay, I have a question for you, ha? Let's get to know you better. Bakit yan ang drag name mo?
Kasi po, ito po rin po yung ginagamit ko sa mga pageant journeys ko at sa pagsali ko sa pageant. So, hindi ko na iniba para tumatak na sa mga tao yun. Thank you.
Ito rin ba hango dun sa pangalan ni Bea Alonzo?
Hindi po.
Akala ko tatanungin ko na sana about kay Dominic Roque. Oo, meron ka rin bang true to life na Dominic Roque? O kaya naman, boyfriend. Taken ba ang drag queen number 1 natin na si Queen Bea?
Single po.
Single na single. So, tignan yung katabi nyo, tanungin mo, single din ba siya? Baka ayan at andyan lang din ang kayong ka-forever. Queen Bea, thank you so much. Okay, and we hope you find the loved ones. And truly, you have a great and incredible name, ha? Queen Bea. Next, everyone, let's meet here. We have Kagawad Feng Cortez. Okay, actually, Kagawad ang tao. Okay, you have part of your drag name is Kagawad. Okay? You're a Kagawad ba in real life?
Opo.
Eto na, great to know. Okay, that aside from serving the community, di ba? Eto ay ginagawa mo ng passion mo when it comes to drag performances. Now, etong question. Sino ang kamukha mong artista? Sino ang kamukha mong artista? Go! Sino kaya?
Yung patay na, si Elizabeth Ramsey. Tapos, punta naman tayo sa international, si Rihanna po.
Buti na lang buhay pa si Rihanna. Okay, ngayon. Pero syempre, nag-draw ka ng inspiration, of course, di ba, kay Elizabeth Ramsey. Grabe. And with that, congratulations sa performance mo and good luck, di ba? All the best in reaching the top 5. Thank you. Yan, nandito si Rihanna. Grabe, tangkad pala. Alright. Uy! Grabe, meron tayong... And we have here everyone! Electra Glimmer! Oh, you have your supporters there, Electra Glimmer. And again, such a sparkling name that you have here. Now, sinong drag queen ang pinakahahangaan mo talaga? Like the one you look up to? Sino?
To be honest, one of my idol in drag queen, of course, our pride in Vegan City, Matilda. I'm passionate when it comes to Matilda because she inspired me to become a drag queen and she motivated me to push my limits because I believe that when it comes to drag queen, you should have to believe in yourself and everything goes on. Thank you so much, Queen Matilda.
Truly a great inspiration. Diba? Saktong-sakto, Matilda is here. And thank you so much. Keep up the great performance indeed. Okay? And we have here, CC Erica. Am I saying it right?
Yes.
CC Erica. Bakit CC Erica?
Originally from my name, Ricky Torda. Kaya tinawag ko na Erica, CC Erica, kasi yun yung mga tawag ko, mga transistor ko all over the world. Thank you so much.
Kaya naman pala. Now, ito ba ang pinakamalaking entablado kung saan ka nag-perform?
Opo.
Eto ha. Well, aside dun saan, meron ka pa bang ibang memorable na nagawang performance? Ito yung pinakamalaking entablado mo so far. So meron ka pa bang ibang mga, mga memorable na experiences or performances mo before?
Yung memorable po sa akin, yung pag-join ko last year, yun yung naging motivate sa akin para mag-join ulit. Yung memorable na yun ay isang motivation para galingan ko pa at ibigay ko pa todo ang aking makakaya.
Grabe, go at go lang din naman. Thank you so much once again, Sissy Erica. Next one we have here, Era Esponela. Am I saying it right? Okay. Kung tatanungin natin, gaano kabigat itong ano mo ngayon? Gaano kabigat to? Hindi na kaya, no, masyad. Huminga ka!
Mahirap po.
Mahirap. Kung meron nga rin namang double C daw. Okay, eto. Anong dream performance or talent, or dream performance or talent or number mo? I mean, like, ano yung talagang pinakaabangan or gusto mo talaga the dream performance that you'd like to have? Someday, pag mapunta ka sa entablado, o saan? Saan mo gusto mag-perform?
Gusto ko pang, ko pa yung pinipili nila bilang i-represent ang Barangay Tamag na Maris. And
Thank you. So sabihin yung mga katagang yon. Okay? Thank you so much. There you go. We have Ara Esponela. At kasama din natin PJ Monte Carlo. PJ Monte Carlo. Asan mga kasama or supporters ni PJ Monte Carlo here? Woy! Yung totoo, dinala mo yatang buong barangay dito ah.
Siguro napapanood na nila ako for the past mga events dito.
Woy! At eto nga rin naman, it's great to see you here again. And thank you so much for bringing such a cheerful crowd. Now, meron lang akong gustong tanungin ha. So, sinong celebrity yung gusto mong make-upan at gawing drag? Oh! Give it a chance. Sinong gusto mong make-upan na celebrity at gawing drag?
Mahirap man to kasi very known siya in drug industry. Gusto kong make-upan si Paolo dahil siya yung nagbigay kulay ng drug dito sa Philippines nung nagsimula ang Drug Philippines. And syempre, na-inspired ako sa kanya and na-inspired ako on that show. That's why, kung mabibigyan man ako ng pagkakataong mag-makeup ng drug, syempre, doon na tayo kay Paolo who inspire others also to become drug in their own way.
Truly an icon in the Philippine drag queendom, as we would say. Thank you so much once again, PJ Monte Carlo. Now we have Aya Garcia. Okay. Aya Garcia. Asan ang mga kasama ni Aya? Ayun, nanonood din yung iba sa ating Facebook Live. So for you, sino yung may pinakabonggang costume, ha? Among the other 13. Eto na. Okay? Ang friends sa pinaka-friendship. Sino sa tingin mo? Well, aside sa'yo, you have a very fabulous outfit. Pero sino among them sa tingin mo pa ang pinaka-bongga just like you? Mag-ingat ka. Maayos tayo pumunta dito, maayos. Tignan mo, o yan o. Sige, gano'n isang kalala. Ano? Sino dito? Go!
Wala, hindi na po ako lalayo.
Siya na. Okay. Alam ko bakit kasi isang ganun lang siya kapag mali, di ba? Okay. Pero then again, well, joking aside, again, alright? Iba pala talaga magkano. Eto, pumuputok ba to? Di akala ko. Maraming salamat. O, pinakabonggang costume. Bakit hindi siya? Dahil army? Ha? Effortless? Sige. O, eto na. Meron siyang chance, okay? Dahil we have here, alright, Gorgeous. Okay, gorgeous nga naman. Eto, pwede kang bumawi dahil ang question ko sa'yo, sino sa tingin mo ang pinaka-least na deserve mag-top 5? Pinaka-least na deserving na makapasok sa top 5. Ito, manglalaglag na yata to.
Feel ko po si candidate number 7.
Aba, pasan na kay Aya Garcia. Sabi na nga ba kasi, di ba? Dapat siya kasing pinili mo, tignan mo tuloy. Pang, ganon nga rin naman. Pero still, again, our judges are still having the deliberation. Pero syempre din naman, MPEX pa rin. Come on. Okay, shake hands naman. O kaya naman kiss, embrace. Tropa. Alam mo po, gano'n. Ay, wait lang. Nasaan napunta yung sayo? Punta dito. Grabe. Thank you so much, gorgeous. Alright, and we have here, Drag queen number 9, JM Tan. Oh, may tanong ako sa iyo. JM Tan, kung papipiliin ka, maging bida o maging kontrabida?
Siyempre maging kontrabida. Gusto ko lang.
Alam mo, pa-kontrabidahan ang mga tatlong to. Okay, kasi kung natin nga rod na rigatin. Okay, lamunan ka, lamunan. Feel ko magbe-best friends ng tatlong to, no? Okay, maraming sa JM Tan. Oh, eto din, si Angel. Angel, may tanong ako sa'yo, Angel, ha? Saan yung pakpak mo? Yes. Okay, di ba usong-uso na ang mga drag family? So, parang the house of ganito, ganyan. Ikaw, anong gusto mong itawag sa drag family mo once you have?
House of Mamshi na lang kasi people know me by calling Mamshi. I serve as a mother sa ibang trans sisters ko na mas bata sa akin. I serve as inspirations to them. So if I'm going to name my drag family, that's gonna be Mamshi, huh?
The House of Mamshis, okay? May tinisigaw din yung isa kanina eh. Ano daw? Ito din, next. We have Iara Deville. Wow! Looks like parang Cruella Deville. Ang peg natin Okay, so nakita mo na ang mga kalaban mo dito na out of drag. So if ever, sino sa mga kalaban mo ang tingin mo na mabebetan mo? Okay? Siyempre, without makeup, di ba? Without, having dressed as drag queen. Sa tingin mo, sino ang pinaka-bet mo sa kanila? Yung pwedeng-pwede mong jowain?
Lagot. Bago po ako sumagot sa katanungan, binabati ko lang po yung mga family ko sa Baguio, yung The Hive, yung mga nanonood ngayon sa live. At kung may jojowain man po ako is si candidate number... Pwedeng ikaw na lang, host. Thank you.
Uy, hindi mo sinabi kung sino. Ako, taken na ako. Hindi pwede, kita-kita mo naman ako in my form, di ba? Normal form. Pero sino? Go!
Siyempre, si candidate number 13.
13, I see Maxine Medina. Kiss! Hindi, joke lang. Akala mo, ha? Pero syempre, thank you so much, Iara Deville. Now, let's move on to Nikki M. Okay, kung mawawalan ka ng wig or makeup sa stage, sino sa mga kalaban mo dito ang tingin mo ang kumuha ng mga to? Si tingin mo, sinong kukuha?
Bago ko sagutin yan, sir, ma'am, good evening sa inyo. I would like to thank my family, my wife and yung tatlong anak ko. So, I'm a member of LGBT. So, para sa kanila to. Okay? So, sasagutin ko ang tanong kung sino kumuha. Si number 7. Charing lang abe, charing lang. Charing lang. Walang charing lang. Charing lang. Ay, di ako dadaan sa dadaanan mo. Sorry ka. May sakyan ako, may driver ako. Charing lang.
Akala ko ba ang number 7 lucky, ba't parang lahat ng kamalasan na kay 7? Grabe, pinaga naman lahat. Okay, pero syempre, she feels lucky naman kasi nakakasama niya kayo, di ba? Nagbibigay kayo ng sayo. Maraming salamat. Eto din, and we have here, Maxine Medina. Makakatuluyan ni Iara Deville. Now, we have our local Lady Gaga here. Yes, Queen. Alright, here go. Maliban sa pag-lip-sync, kung magkaka-talent portion, anong talent ang ipapakita mo pa?
Siyempre singing.
Okay, pwede naman. Okay, sample. Go!
I get him hot, show him what I got.
Galing. Palakpakan naman natin, everyone. Lady Gaga here, or si Maxine Medina, and finally, our 14th drag queen here na si Miss Hera. Nandun sila, Eto, ano yung go-to song or performance mo, yung kahit di ka nakapaghanda, pag-play pa lamang ay kaya mo nang i-perform?
Hello, Kos! Yes, hi, Yael ko dyan.
So yung song na kahit na hindi ako prepared, kapag tumugtog, mapapasayaw talaga ako. Siyempre, as a fan of Whitney Houston, pag tumugtog yung I Wanna Dance With Somebody, talagang mapapag-groove ako and push and push and push. Ganon.
Mayroon mo na pasayaw doon. Once again, everyone, palakpakan po natin ang 14 drag queens na kilala at nakilala din naman natin. So, napagbigay ng konting tuwa. Ayan, at katatawanan din. Diba? Divas, the judges have made their decisions. 14 Kabugerang drag queens are standing before us, but only 5 names in our list will be called. The drag queens, who will I not call? Shall stay put where you are and don't move because you will witness and cheer at the back. For the divas I will call, please step forward, umaura at umagaw ng eksena. For our first diva in our top 5, you are still in the competition, PJ Monte Carlo! Next diva, huminga ng malalim dahil di ka patanggal, Miss Hera! So, need mo pa nang mag-retouch, auntie, dahil pasok ka pa! Nikki M! Huwag masyadong mag-emote at kasama ka pa sa showdown, Tiara DeVille! At ang huling papasok sa Lip Sync Showdown ay ikaw, Maxine Medina! Congratulations, divas! There you go! But the competition is far from over. Prepare for another round of lip sync battle. But this time, sabay-sabay na kayong magkakabugan on stage sa iisang music or song. So, Lokasur, handa na bang lahat? Handa na bang mga nandito? Alright, divas, are you ready? Heto na ang agawan ng eksena. Kabugan ng mga diva, lip-syncing to the Ama Kabugera. This is Diva Duel Lip Sync Battle Top 5 Showdown. Grabe naman ang performance. Ano, para akala mo, last day na ng showdown. Galing! Todo bigay nga rin naman, no? Go! And truly, everyone, we're all gathered here para din may pakita what's the art of drag, right? And truly, their incredible performances would give us the much energy din naman. And everybody really look forward at talagang mga family sila, mga friends ay pumunta dito para suportahan. And some of them actually din, no? Tagay Ilocos nga rin sila, but since some are actually working in other places, talagang umuwi sila just to show what they're passionate about. So, ang tanong din naman, so sa lahat ng mga tagapanood natin, sa tingin mo ba, ang katabi mo ang susunod na Diva Duel champion next year? Tanungin mo yung katabi mo. Oh, bagay mo sis, ganyan. Tignan mo kasi baka kaninang nagper-perform yung ating mga diva queens, baka nakikilip-sync din yung katabi mo, di ba? Oh, so pwede namang mag-join. We will be having more next year, di ba? Sino ang gustong magsabi kung sino ang karapat-dapat na maging reyna ng aurahan at kabugan dito sa Ilocos Sur? Okay, tatanungin ko unang-una, taga saan ka?
Arangkada Progreso, Santo Domingo.
Yon! Santo Domingo represent. Okay, kaway-kaway nga naman. Alright. So, actually, I may have to ask, were you inspired to join, okay, this battle next year? Tingin mo kaya?
Actually po, I am a huge fan of Drag Race Philippines. So, feeling ko nandito yung inaabagan ko rin na, nasasali. Ayun, nandun si Chester. Ayan. So, siya po yung hinahype namin na sumali. And of course, we have our very own PJ on stage na. Ayan. So, sa top 5 queens, good luck. Pero PJ, let's go.
Ayan. Let's go. Yung ba yun? Santo Domingo? Ay, hindi. Santiago pala yun. Okay. Pero again, thank you so much for giving us your fearless forecast. Sino suportahan? Si PJ. At ngayon, ikaw daw, di ba? Ikaw yung tinuro, di ba? Yon! You know, with the sparkling outfit that you have here, it's great to meet you. What's your name? Or if you get to choose a drag name na, okay? Ano at ano? Go.
Kung pipili ako, gagamitin ko pa rin yung Chelan. Short for Chester Alan. Actually, magjo-join sana ako kaso hindi dumating yung mga gamit ko. Yun, kaya wala ako dito.
Feel ko ito lang yung nakarating sa'yo ngayon, no? Pero still, alright, we hope to see you next year. Pero may tanong pa ako, hindi pa tapos. may tanong pa, may pang tanong. Sino among this top 5 diva queens here you'd like to be this year's champion for the Diva Duel Lip Sync Battle?
Siyempre, ang kumare kong si PJ.
PJ, ayun! Okay, sa lahat ng mga supporters ni PJ, asan sila? Taas ang kamay! Alam mo, PJ, pag ikaw ang nanalo, pag ikaw ang pinagpalang ay manalo, ubos ang 100,000 pesos mo. Okay, apo. Pero syempre, share na naman yung blessing sa inyo, di ba? So aside sa mga supporters si PJ, meron pa ba dito? Yung sinusuportan niya nakapasok sa top 5. Alam mo? Nahiya siya, pero ako na nga lang lalapit. Okay. Gusto niya kasi na siya nilalapitan. Okay, tayo, please. Tanong ko, taga saan ka? Taga saan?
Viva Vegan!
Viva Vegan! Okay. Ikaw, were you also inspired to join the lip sync battle? In case next year, the following years, or you attempted na sumali din this year?
Hindi po.
Hindi pa. Pero sa tingin mo, you have what it takes as well to be on stage next year?
Maybe.
Maybe. When you say maybe, that's okay. That's a yes as well. Now, okay, sino ang sinusuportahan or gusto mong manalo as champion for the Diva Duel?
Siyempre po si Mami PJ.
Si?
Si PJ.
PJ pa rin. Ayan, from hanggang doon, hanggang dito, PJ pa rin. Kayo, PJ rin? PJ. PJ. Dito. PJ din. Wait lang, sandali. Wait, lahat ang dami. Ang daming supporters ni PJ. Aside si PJ, ala, grabe ha. Doon tayo sa side na yan. Okay, meron pa tayong dito. Okay, meron pa tayo dito yung supporters as well ni Miss Hera. Meron. Okay, for sure they're voting online or they're giving their support online. How about ang supporters ni Nikki M? Yun, sakto napunta ako dito. Bata! Ilang taon ka na? 9 years old. Magkaano kayong dalawa?
Daddy po namin si Nikki M.
Oh my gosh! Everyone! Sila po, okay. Eto, si Nikki M, everyone, eto po ang kanyang pinakamamahal na children. Oh, yan, tayo naman tayo. Oh, yay! Welcome, and thank you so much. Eto ha, I know you're very proud of your dear dad over there. Okay? At syempre naman, as a dear parent, ano gusto nyong sabihin para mas mag-boost ang confidence at lalo binibigyan nyo ang pagmamahal nyo sa kanya. And in support sa kanyang drag performance or passion.
Di, alam mo yan. Manalo, matalo.
Saka-support pa rin kami sa'yo, mga anak mo. Si Talo, si Mami.
Ayun, thank you so much. What's your name again? Lexa and?
Lexus.
Lexus. Uy, ganda na siya. Di ba you have 3 kids? Yung isa. Ito yung... Ba't parang magmumukhang tita? Ay, wait lang. Mukhang may mga support. Sasali na next year. Yes! Kakay! Oy! Hello, Kakay. At alam nyo ba, makakasama din natin si Kakay mamaya. At mukhang napaaga na yata ang labas ni Kakay. O, di ba? Okay. So, kasi ang sinusuportahan natin, ating hinahawakan mo, ha? Okay. Ang sinusuportahan din natin ay si Nikki M.
Yes, sir.
Kaano-ano po natin si Nikki M?
Friend.
Best friend! Ayun! Grabe, ilang years na kayo mag-best friend, mag-BFF?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Ilang years na kayo mag-BFF?
Matagal na, sir.
Grabe, since childhood pa lamang. Okay? At eto din, ano gusto mong sabihin bilang BFF?
Good luck and kaya mo yan, best.
Kaya mo yan, best. Ba't parang may halong kilig yung mga to. Okay, pero syempre, best friend man, mapasawa man, or anak, ang importante, binibigay natin ang pagmamahal at suporta natin. Okay? Yan ang napakagandang highlight din natin. Maraming salamat, dear BFF Kakay. Okay. And aside kay Nikki M, meron din po ba yung mga summer supporters ni Iara Deville? Ate, mag-iisa ka! Tayo! Panindigan mo to! Feel ko kung Iara Deville ang nasa, ito na si Cruella Deville. No? Okay, what's your name? Joanny. Taga saan si Joanny?
Viva! Viva!
Aray ko. Wait lang. Tin! Kung na tilapayag kon. Okay, ganito. Okay. Were you inspired as well to join next year for the lip sync battle?
Closen.
What do you mean closen? Ano kaya tasawin? Bakit? Paano mo bakit na yun ang nasabi mo?
Anak bilong dito, drug sponsor.
Okay. She's actually, okay, what she meant is, okay. Pusher siya when it comes to the passion of drag show. Diba? So, yung sabihin, so drag addict ka din. Hindi, I mean drag addict in a sense na she's like addicted to watching drag shows. Tama ba?
Next question.
Okay. Pero syempre dito siya para suportahan si Iara Deville. Again, paano support kay Iara Deville?
PJ!
Taksil ka! Halolo. O hindi. Okay. At least, hindi lang naman si PJ sinusupport ko para si Ian. Talaga. Para sa airtime ano. Pero again, Joanny, thank you so much. I hope to see you next year, ha? Okay. Eto. Sino pa dito ang kasama ni Maxine Medina? Sakto, mapupunta tayo dun sa side na yon. Ay, hindi. Baka mamaya sa PJ rin yan. Hindi. Bigyan naman natin yung chance. Bigay natin yung spotlight sa mga nandito sa side na to. Okay. Yan natin ang ingatot imatatay. Ay, sulang sa tatay tinangingatok, Ket. Backup dancer. Ito yung mga backup dancer pala kanina ni number 8. Si number 8. Siya ay si Gorgeous. Ang tanong, dito po tayo. Okay, may balak ka bang sumali sa army someday?
Actually po, dapat kasali kami, pero unfortunately, hindi dumating yung costume namin from Thailand.
Parang familiar yung sagot na yon kanina sa isa sa ating mga tagapanood. Okay, pero kapag nabigyan ka ng chance, anong magiging drag name mo?
My drag name is, of course, my team. My drag name is Relax. Kasi we are born relax.
Relax na relax sila. Ayaw pa nilang tumayo. Ayaw pa nilang tumayo. Ito na nga yung ating army dancers. Kanina kasama si Gurgeous. Thank you so much ha. Actually, accompanying the diva, said diva sa performance na naman, pinapakita nyo na rin ang suporta niya. Again, pasok man or hindi sa top 5, okay, ang importante, pinapakita po natin here ang passion and as well as the art of drag performances. Okay? Maraming salamat. Once again, mag-cheer ang mga taga Ilocos Sur! Ito ang gusto ko talaga sa Ilocos Sur. Kaya po, pabalik-balik ako dito. Diba? Maraming salamat. So let's begin with the best in drag look. Congratulations! Miss Hera! Miss Hera will be receiving 5,000 pesos for the set award. Congratulations. I believe you also have the best in lip sync. Official tabulators, thank you so much, ISCC. Congratulations! Best in lip sync is PJ Monte Carlo. The best in lip sync awardee will be receiving 5,000 pesos in cash. Congratulations. Eto na, nasa exciting part na tayo. This is it, Pansit. Let's begin with our third placer, or some would also call it our second runner-up. Again, third placer is the same as our second runner-up, and that is why we would like to congratulate third place or second runner-up is Iara DeVille. Uy, tingnan natin. Let's see. Thank you so much. Congratulations, Yara DeVille. Now, for our second placer or first runner-up. The second placer or first runner-up will take home 75,000 pesos. Congratulations on your drag performance. Second placer, first runner-up is Miss Hera! Congratulations! There you go, Miss Hera, our second placer for the Diva Duo Lip Sync Battle. You just received 75,000 pesos. Eto na! Ilocos Sur! Are you ready? Hold each other's hands. And sir, from the ISCC, our official tabulator, just handed over the result. Everyone, the Diva Duo Lip Sync Battle champion or first placer is congratulations, PJ Monte Carlo. Diva Duo Lip Sync Battle Champion receives, okay, we have already received the 100,000 peso cash prize, everyone. Palakpakan natin, PJ Monte Carlo, our champion! syempre, hindi pa nagtatapos dyan ang ating gabi, everybody! Dahil marami pa tayong pasabog at katatawanan na matutunghayan ngayong gabi. Natapos na ang kabugan at aurahan. Eto naman, handa na po ba kayo sa gabi ng tawanan? Magpapatuloy pa Pasical sa entablado as we introduce ang isa nating judge sa Diva Duel Lip Sync Battle, ang ating drag queen celebrity guest performer tonight. And yes, she slayed 3-minute challenges in Drag Race Philippines Season 2. At pagdating sa entablado, hindi ka magdududa. Kaya naman simulan na ang sayawan. Huwag lang puro kayabangan. Push! Nandito na si Matilda!
Drag Race Multimedia Superstar and Pride of Ilocos Region. A round of applause for Matilda!